In primetime news this evening, frantic search for missing St. Catherine businessman ends in tragedy.
United Oil and Gas gets green light to conduct offshore surveys.
And Jamaicans warned against having pet monkeys. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up, we have the business news.
And Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sport.
Thank you, Janella. Well, I have the business. And the West Indies, they'll have to do the business tomorrow against Australia if they are to save their 5-match T20 series in St. Kitts. The details a bit later on.
Any predictions? No.
Not at this point, but there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what do you make of the ongoing oil and glass exploration efforts in Jamaica's territorial waters?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.